Hey everybody, quick video today about the head unit and the connection in the Speed 3. So to get this to work, I needed a couple things. One, an OBD splitter, easy enough to buy. I'll post the link. Basically, this allows you to connect two devices to the OBD. So right now, I have the splitter connected to the 4-scan OBD device, which is very specific. You're gonna need that one. I'll post the link as well. If you do not get that one, you will not get a wired connection. But basically, so I have the 4-scan device connected to a USB that is connected to the head unit. And with that, you should be able to get live readings using this OBD Link app. I've tried it with some others. It didn't like the wired connection as much, but you know, with this, it's easy enough. So look, I'll hit disconnect, if it'll work. Oh yeah, it worked. Look, it's connecting. Boom. And now with this, you can see pretty live, almost instant readings, just as fast as the Accessport would update. And you can add KPIs and things like that if you wanted. Just go down and hold. Oh, there you go. So you can add different ones, different units, change the style, yada, yada, yada. But it updates quickly. The reason I didn't use the Bluetooth dongles is because it was just too slow of a refresh. It didn't really work. But with this USB to 4-scan, it works perfect. And look, even diagnostics work. Ignore all that. But yeah, so with this, we're able to get almost instant readings on your head unit, so you don't have to leave your Accessport plugged in all the time. Or if you don't have an Accessport, this works perfectly. Every time I get the car back from the shop, if I've upgraded something, I can just switch to the dashboard and check performance. And then when the time comes to actually do logs, I can plug my Accessport in and save some data before I send it off. But anyway, guys, so that's really the quick and dirty. It's super easy. Besides the head unit, it's probably about 75 bucks for the dongles, but they work really well. And I really have no problem. Sometimes there's some stutter, but usually just resetting the head unit does it. But other than that, guys, that's pretty much it. Thanks.